This video is a demonstration of the process I use when painting intuitively with watercolour. For me, painting in this way is about having fun. It's about getting out my paints and my collage and putting stuff down on the paper and just seeing where it takes me. Sometimes I may have a rough idea in my head about what I want to paint, but most of the time I don't, and I'm purely led by the process. So let me show you how I paint intuitively with watercolour. I'm painting on stretch watercolour paper. It's £140 300 GSM hot press. If you'd like to know how to stretch your watercolour paper properly, I've made a video on that, and you'll find a link to it in the description below this video. I randomly apply water using a spray bottle or flicking it with a brush. I also use sprays of varying intensity, a very fine spray or a coarser spray. I sort out some collage pieces and apply them with PVA glue. When I've finished gluing down all my collage pieces, I allow the piece to dry completely. This is important before applying any paint. I'm using artist watercolours in quinacridone magenta, Hansa yellow, French ultramarine blue and ivory black, plus a little bit of white designer's gouache at the end. Using just 3 colours like this is known as a limited palette, but I can get a multitude of colours by mixing them together. On the first layer I spray my paper with water. I use my fine spray and my normal spray bottles. This allows the paints to spread and merge together when I apply them. I apply paint to my paper randomly. I colour mix on the palette and also allow colours to mix on the paper. When I'm happy with the paint coverage on the first layer, I allow it to completely dry before continuing. So now watch as I continue to add layers to this painting, allowing each to dry before doing the next. When I've finished the painting and it's completely dry, I remove the dry masking fluid and the masking tape. And that's the painting finished. I hope you've enjoyed watching this demonstration and that you'll like and subscribe to my channel. This will ensure that you won't miss out on any future tutorials or demos. Thank you for watching.